Hi guys, I did a little video recently of a balloon powered car, this one, where it had a cutout there so you could put an egg in it, so you could transport an egg 5 meters under balloon power. And for simplicity, all I'd done was use sticky tape, rolled it on itself so it was sticky outside, and just put the balloon straight on top of the sticky tape to hold it in place to blow it along. And that works, but I did mention you could use a tube of some sort in the end of the balloon, and then you could use that to hold it in place. You could make a proper little bracket that'll clip into. This is one that I've actually 3D printed quite a while ago, intending to do a balloon powered car and never got round to it. And I just found it again, so I thought I'd give it a try. So all I'm doing is holding it in place with some rubber bands. So I'll blow it up. Oh, those extra rubber bands are just to grip it onto the front of the pipe. This is a bit fiddly. Ideally, you'd make a bracket for this to clip onto, and that's what I intend to do. But for now, we'll just hold it in place with the rubber bands. And point it in the right direction. And there we go. So, although it may not have seemed it, we actually had a longer jet of air from it because the air was being constricted by the thickness of the pipe, so it took longer to get out the back of the balloon, and the balloon stayed in place instead of falling off because it was falling off the sticky tape. So we actually went quite a bit further than we did during the previous episode. So that works, but I will do a bit more work and make a clip-on 3D printed thing for making the job easy. You could just make it out of cardboard, but I got a 3D printer, so that's what I will do. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video, you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.